You really can't take a hint, can you? You heard me. That's the fourth time this week that an unnaturally beautiful stranger has dumped their coffee on you. But did you bother looking at their face? Fluttering your lashes? Making small talk? It's like you're trying to make my life harder! My name is Virgil. I'm a Cupid and I'm at your service. Literally, 50 years of flawless work, rave reviews, not a single loveless on my watch. And then, you. I pull all the stops. Trapped in lifts, only one bed, reunited with childhood crushes, the works! At this point, your entire life is like an obnoxious rom-com. But it's like you don't notice or care. Whatever the case, I'm at my wit's end. I figured it's either this or admitting to HQ that I failed. And I'd rather be pulverized for rule breaking than give that condescending prick Valentine the satisfaction. Now tell me, what are we going to do about this little snafu? Isn't that obvious? What I need is for you to fall in love already. Haha, yes, hilarious. I'm not playing here. It's literally my job, ergo, it doesn't count as play. No, shut up. Look, I can't move on to my next assignment until your stomach goes all aflutter. It's not just for me. I'm sure you're done with the tropey bullshit yourself. I am begging you. It's been 3 months since I was assigned to you. I'm glad you find this funny. Maybe I... Regardless, we're stuck together until we can get your dead heart beating again. And I'm sure you share my desire to get unstuck as soon as possible. Are you truly happy? Are you telling me HQ made a mistake? That's... fair. Thank you. I think maybe that will be enough to satisfy them. Can't wait to rub this on Valentine's nose. Finally free from each other then? I wish you the best.